This is Mom versus Dad Snackspiration edition.
So we went to our neighborhood Kroger Family Store and picked up all the ingredients we needed. As you can see, it's always an adventure shopping with our kids. My snackspiration is donuts. I wanted something delicious, a fun treat with a little bit of a healthy twist.
My snackspiration is bringing sushi into something that's sweet and fun to eat. All right, so Maya Ren, my snackspiration dish is banana sushi with marshmallow cream wasabi. What'd you make, Allie?
I made apple donuts with frosting.
Yummy.
It's time to decide whose snackspiration dish wins, Mom or Dad's. Go.
This is too sweet for me.
All right, Ren, what's yours? You pick, point to yours.
This one.
Wow! All right, Allie, it is officially a tie. You can have as many as you want. Thanks so much to our friends at Kroger's and Ralph's for the snackspiration. I think the entire family wins.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.